Welcome, dear student. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. I am Barun Chandra Sarkar, Assistant Teacher English, Government Jazira Maharali Model High School, Jazira Shuriatpur. Class 9, 10, English First Paper, Unit 4, Lesson 1. What is happening in the picture? The boat is sinking in the river in the picture. Look at the picture and answer these questions. Where you can see this kind of boat? Answer: this kind of boat can be seen in the riverian rural areas. Next question, dear student. What does the boat carries passengers across a river? For money, because there is no bridge. Next question, dear student. Why do people use country boats? Because they are cheap and easily available. Dear student, let's go. Start now. Today's topic is the ferry boat. Learning outcome. After this lesson, the students will be able to ask and tell about problems, seek and give suggestions, listen for specific information, answer to the questions. Vocabulary: sink, drown, overcrowded, overpopulated, shoulder, neck. Dear student, let's go another slides. Read the text and answer the following questions. Is there anybody here who has crossed a river by country boat? I have, teacher, said Jamil, and I clearly remember what happened in that journey. Would you please tell us what happened? The teacher asked. Okay, teacher, it happened while I was in class 6. On a weak bazaar day, people were coming back with their shopping bags and baskets in hands, on shoulders and heads. They had to cross the river. It was not a big river. There was a ferry boat plying on the rivers. The boat could cross it in 10 minutes. It was just after sunset. The weather was getting bad. The wind started blowing from the northwest. Black clouds were moving fast in the sky. Everybody was trying to get into the boat. No more, please wait, shouted the boatman. But nobody listened to him. What happened then, Jamil? Asked Rumi. With too many people on board, the boat sank in the middle of the river, replied Jamil. Oh, no. What happened then? Asked the teacher. Thank God. There are no casualties. All the passengers swam to the other side, but some of them lost the stuff they were carrying, such as oil, salt and milk, said Jamil. Were you on the boat? Asked the teacher. No, teacher. Seeing the boat overcrowded, I waited for the next time, replied Jamil. You did the right thing, Jamil. That student, choose the best answer from the alternatives. A ferry boat was plying on the river. Here plying means. There are 4 options. You have to choose one option. Plying with other boats, sinking in the river, traveling along a route. Number 4, waiting for passenger. Correct answer, traveling along a route. Why was everybody trying to get into the boat? Number 1, it was a weekly bazaar day. After sunset into ferry would fly on the river. Everybody had shopping bags with them. It was going to be dark and stormy evening. Correct answer, it was going to be dark and stormy evening. Number 3, the boatman requested the people to wait because number 1, his boat was very small. The boat had already too many people. Number 3, there were other boats they could take. Number 3, there were other boats they could take. Number 4, he would not ferry people with bags and baskets. Dear student, correct answer, the boat had already too many people. Answer, choose the best answer from the alternatives. With too many people on board, the boat sank. Here, the phrase on board means on the boat, on the wooden boat, outside the boat, on the unnoticed boat. Correct answer, on the boat. There are no casualties. The statement tells us that nobody died, nobody was rescued, nobody accepted their fate, nobody lost everything. Correct answer, nobody died. The boat was overloaded. Here, overloaded means people are quarreling on the boat. The boat was unable to carry any more people. The boat did not like a crowd. The people are sitting on the boat's bamboo hood. Correct answer, the boat was unable to carry any more people. Dear student, answer the question. Why did some people have little or no patience when the ferry boat was in danger of sinking? It may be that they are in a hurry, or maybe they became afraid of such critical situation. Number 2, no more, please wait. Who said this? Why? When all the people tried to get into the boat, the boatman shouted, no more, please wait. He shouted because his boat could not hold all the passengers at a time. Moreover, the wind was blowing roughly. Actually, he was afraid that the boat may sink. Dear student, next question, very helpful for the first week assignments. If we have too many buyers of fish in the market, what is likely to happen? Answer, if there are too many buyers in the fish market, the sellers may rise of the fishes. The rich people would compete with one another, but the poor will get nothing. কম্পিউটার প্রতিযোগিতা করবে, ধনীরা কিন্তু গরিবরা কিছুই পাবে না। নাম্বার বি, if we have too many passengers at a bus or train station, what may happen? If we have too many passengers at a bus or train station, it will become crowded and noisy. Moreover, accident may occur as people in Bangladesh do not hesitate to get on the roof of the train or bus. Number C, if we have too many people in a village, town, city, what will happen? If we have too many people in a town, cities, housing problem will arise. The cultivable lands will be occupied for housing. Eventually, the environment will become uncomfortable. Dear student, let's go another slides. Home tasks. Write a paragraph within 10 sentences about a ferry. Thanks to all, dear students.